Assalamualaikum. This is Shohili Shima, student of BGMI HR Admin and Social Compliance Department, 26 batch, and I'm still running Masters in Philosophy subject. First, I want to say something about BGMI. BGMI Institute is popular since long time. Many BGMI students are learning from BGMI. They are a good position. Bangladesh Labor Law 2006 and Bangladesh Labor Rules 2015 I also learned it, and I was working in BGMI office in the first time. Then I wanted to do some courses, and first I was started HR Admin and Social Compliance course. I learned a lot. Social compliance is the best rule in our factory and organization. I learned a quite few more, like what is HR admin, what is compliance, what is audit, what are the types of audit, standard audit, and I learned also maternity benefit, and what is PC committee, safety committee. These are all things I learned. Thank you so much.